This is supposed to be a way of recording wonderful realizations that occur here on retreat. But it's taken me a few minutes to set up the video so that it would actually take a picture of this face, and at this point it's kind of forgotten what the great message was that it wanted to record. But there were interesting problems in between, which it solved in a rather nice way, I think. Constructing something from available materials to suit the purpose. Yeah. And the materials take on a very different aspect when they're seen through that project of building up the video camera high enough that it'll take the picture of this face. There's a lantern with a tea light in it and an upside down coffee cup on top of the lantern, and it points towards me. It tried a pair of socks, an ashtray, a cigarette lighter, coffee cup alone, upside down rather than right side up. It's more stable for the camera, probably. So that's the functioning. But the coffee cup was much too low, and the top of the lantern has a shape that is impossible to stably set a camera on. So, however, the top of the lantern is rather slim, and in fact slim enough to fit inside the coffee cup, but there's a handle on the lantern that is wider than it's springy, and it's if it's down, it's wider than the coffee cup, but when it's up, the coffee cup will fit down on top. However, there's a crack of a few millimeters that I'm mentioning anybody being interested in this other than me. A crack, 3, 4, 5 millimeters maybe, because the coffee cup doesn't come all the way down onto the lantern, so it can wiggle a little bit, and it used the wiggle to make the camera point just a couple degrees higher. This is the engineering mind, which was too low. Here's the camera flat on the table. Or the camera up on this cigarette lighter. It's just too high. And the socks, however, are firm enough, but flexible. That's the third possibility that it checked out, and it finds that quite satisfactory in this case.